In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear tail lamp assembly on this Honda Civic. This will be attached to the rear of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Open your trunk. Once you have the lid up, we're going to start dislodging the inboard panel where our tail lamp assembly is going to be located. For this, you're going to find that you have 3 push clips to remove. For any of these, they're pretty much the same. To unlock them, start removing the outer portion. Once it's unlocked, it should slide out of position. Just a quick inspection of that, and we'll continue on to the next. Now we can pull this out of place. Let's have a look along the back side. Looking back here, you're going to find that you have 3 electrical connectors, one down here, one up top, and then there's a blue one on the inboard side there. Let's start with the inboard side. That one's the hardest one to get to. There's just a small tab along the bottom of the connector, so I'm just going to press that in. We should be able to pull that out of place. Fairly difficult to see. As we continue on, we're just inspecting everything, confirming there's no miscellaneous corrosion, which we would need to deal with. Locking tabs out here. Let's get that next one. Okay, can set that wiring aside for now. Now there's going to be 4 pieces of mounting hardware. We'll be using an 8mm for each one of these nuts. There's one on each corner of the lamp assembly here. And start removing each of those. Last one right here. Now we're using a trim tool along the outside here. I just want to try to get in between the tail lamp assembly and the body of the vehicle and start pulling the tail lamp straight rearward. There it is, friend. With that out of place, let's continue on to cleaning and inspecting the mounting points. You can see all those mounting bolt ports. Obviously, there's plenty of sand in this area. That's pretty common, but it's not going to affect anything. We just want to make sure we clean up the mounting base here, and we'll also make our way outward. On the tail lamp assembly itself, it's going to have a small locating tab that will slide into this port. So we just want to make sure we give this a quick wipe, a close inspection, and then go ahead and apply a thin amount of lubricant in this area. All right, it's time to install a brand new outer tail lamp assembly. When we get this in position, we're going to be aligning our outer stud here, which is in that port that we just lubricated. And then, of course, we also have the mounting studs for those mounting nuts once they're on the inside there. Let's get this aligned. There we are. Let's get ready to press this in. With that tapped into position, we can start on all 4 of our mounting nuts. Snug them up. Now let's continue on to our electrical connectors. We'll start with the blue one. It's fairly difficult to see in there. Press it in, listen for a click. Let's move along to the rest. Double check, make sure everything's secure while you're in here. Let's Get this trunk liner in place up along the top. We'll just make sure we have our wiring harness so we can access that. Now it's time for our push clips. For your push clips, you start in the outer portion, lock it in with the center. Let's make our way down to the next couple here. Double check, make sure that's properly secured. Okay, friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you need to do is go ahead and check the lamp functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.